was started by my father, Kevin, an architect on a mission to make everyday objects better for people and better for the environment. He started by solving an everyday problem with a very simple object, the toothbrush. Creating a more honest and effective product was the solution, and that was just the start. We've taken that philosophy and vision of everyday better to create a sustainable and unique collection of toothbrushes, toothpastes, flosses, and other daily use objects we think you and your family, pets included, will love too. Our process is transparent. We use earth-friendly materials and sustainable manufacturing, even owning and operating our own factory right here in Kutztown, Pennsylvania. We are proudly women-owned and operated and family-run, ensuring that every product is designed for a better you and a better world. Our message is clear: your mouth deserves better, and so does the environment.